Maybe enjoying it. Say, I'm gonna stay a while. Yeah, there he is. It's a cardinal. The other one just went over to the tree, so he's got to realize that it's over here now. Let's see who comes next. Oh, he went down to the ground. Let me see him over there. He's on the ground. I don't know if you can really see him. But he'll figure it out. He's going to pick up the last of that over there. They're telling each other that it's over here. It's over here. Yeah. Okay. The other one, there's one up there looking. Let's see if he comes. Oh, here they come. They came. See him? There. Yep. That was a blue jay. He'll be back. Yep, they're all talking about it. Saying, oh wow, we got a new one. Okay.